In today's quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to do content pruning using SEO platform reports to boost your site's performance. Content pruning is a crucial SEO strategy that helps you clean up your site by removing or updating outdated, irrelevant, or underperforming pages. If you've been wondering how to do this effectively, you're in the right place. Content pruning starts with identifying which content on your website is not performing. An SEO platform report, like from SEMrush, Ahrefs, or Google Search Console, gives you the key data you need. I'll walk you through using these reports step by step so you can prune with precision and improve your rankings. Start by pulling up your SEO platform report. Look at the pages that are getting little to no traffic or have a high bounce rate. If these pages aren't providing value to your users or contributing to your SEO, it's time to make a decision: update or remove them. To decide which pages to prune, check their organic performance. In your SEO platform, sort pages by impressions and clicks. Pages with high impressions but low clicks indicate that the content is not engaging. If those pages also have a low average position, they might need a content update to better target search intent. On the other hand, if the page has low impressions and low clicks, it's a strong candidate for removal. When updating content, ensure you're aligning it with the latest keywords and search trends. Use your SEO platform to find the most relevant and high volume keywords for the topic and update the page accordingly. If the page is outdated or irrelevant to your audience, removing it is usually the best option. You don't want to keep pages that can harm your site's authority or SEO value. For pages that are performing well but could be even better, consider consolidating them with other similar content. If you have several pages that cover similar topics, merging them into one comprehensive resource will not only improve the quality of your content, but also help you rank better for targeted keywords. SEO platforms also let you track the impact of your pruning efforts over time. After you remove or update a page, monitor the performance using the same reports to ensure your rankings improve and the user experience is optimized. A key takeaway here is that content pruning isn't just about removing pages. It's about making sure your website only has high-value, high-performance content. By using your SEO platform reports to identify underperforming pages and either updating or removing them, you'll be boosting your SEO strategy and providing a better experience for your users. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I've linked in the description below. I've tested all the major SEO platforms, and this one stands out for content pruning. You can follow along and start improving your site's SEO today with no commitment. To quickly recap, identify underperforming content in your SEO platform report, decide whether to update or remove it, and monitor the results over time. With the right strategy, content pruning will have a significant positive impact on your rankings and overall site performance.